This is how you can easily refer to or quote a message on WhatsApp. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. To quote a message like this, you simply tap and hold. At the top here are options. Click on this and this message will be ready to be quoted. Alternatively, you can just swipe right on the desired message like so, and it is ready to be quoted. Thanks for watching. I've compiled a list of tricks and hacks you can use to make WhatsApp easier for use. The link is in the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.